Lesson 33. Negimas, run away. Sakebimas, make a noise. Akeramimas, give up. Nagimas, throw. Mamorimas, keep, follow, obey. Hajimimas, a ceremony, begin, start. Shoskeshimas, attend a meeting. Tsutaimas, convey. Kyotsukimas, be careful of the cars. Koromane, be away from one's desk. Hazushimas, from one's desk. Modorimas, come back, return. Aisatsushimas, have a telephone call. Recykuroshimas, recycle. Dame, no good, not permitted, impossible. Onaji, same. Keisatsu, police station. Seki, seat. Maku, mark, symbol. Boru, ball. Shimikiri, deadline. Kimari, regulation, rule. Kiken, danger. Shiyu kenshi, do not use. Kyoshutsu, keep out. Yukuri, go slow. Iriguchi, entrance. Deguchi, exit. Hijoguchi, emergency exit. Moryu, free of charge. Waribiki, discount. Nomo Hodai, all you can. Shiyuchu, in use. Bushuchu, applications. Chu, ing. Do you, what kind of. Ikura, demo, however, even if. Mu, not any longer, used with negatives. Ado, left. Who, about. Chu, shaihan, parking violation. Butskin, fine. Jishin, earthquake. Akimas, okimas, happen. Tatsuki, I must help each other. Motomoto, originally. Kanashi, sad. Moto, more. Aisatsu, greeting, address. Oshima's greet, give an address. Aite, the other person. Kimochi, feeling. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!